Stick with us until the end of this video, because by the time we're done, you'll have growth hacks that'll help you crush the YouTube game in 2025.
We're breaking everything down step by step, so let's go right into it.
Okay, let's imagine something. You've been posting videos consistently, putting in the effort, and you've even managed to get some views, but you're not seeing the kind of growth you expected. Subscribers aren't rolling in like you thought they would. Does that sound familiar?
It can be super frustrating, right? You know your content is solid, but something is just off. Here's the twist. It's not necessarily about what you're doing wrong with your content. The real problem could be how you're approaching YouTube as a whole.
You see, in 2025, the YouTube algorithm has evolved, and so should your strategy. If you're still using the same approach you were last year, you're already a step behind. Don't worry, we've got you covered.
The first tip we have for you is targeting micro niches. The days of trying to appeal to everyone are over. In 2025, it's all about narrowing your focus and speaking to smaller specific groups.
Think about it this way. The internet is flooded with general content, so standing out in a broad category is tough. But if you specialize, you're going to find an audience that's hungry for exactly what you're offering.
For example, instead of creating generic fitness content, why not focus on something more specific like workouts for people with small apartments? That's a perfect example of a niche within the fitness world that people are searching for, and you can absolutely corner that market.
It's not just about creating content that fits a niche. It's about becoming an expert in that micro niche. And the beauty is that people who search for it are going to stay loyal to you as they go to the source for that specific topic. Next up, let's talk about YouTube Shorts. These little guys have taken over the platform, right? And in 2025, they're going to be even more important than ever.
Definitely. YouTube loves shorts, they're quick, they're fun, and the algorithm absolutely eats them up. But here's the catch. You can't just post random videos. Your shorts need to be purposeful.
Right. The secret is to use shorts as a tool to drive traffic to your longer videos. So let's say you're making a tutorial on, I don't know, how to do a cool magic trick. Your short should be a quick teaser showing off a small part of the trick, just enough to get people curious to see the full thing in your main video.
Exactly. The goal with shorts is to catch their attention in a short amount of time, then get them to click over to your full-length video for the rest of the content. This strategy has worked wonders for tons of creators.
And here's something important. Consistency is key with shorts. You can't just post a random one and expect it to go viral. If you make shorts a regular part of your strategy, you're increasing your chances of reaching new viewers.
Now here's something that a lot of people overlook. Titles and thumbnails. I'm sure you've heard it a million times, but trust us, it's even more important now.
When it comes to shorts, your thumbnail has to stand out. And not just that, your title has to spark curiosity without being misleading. Nobody likes clickbait. It's a fast track to losing subscribers.
If your thumbnail is blurry or unclear, people are going to scroll right past it. And if your title doesn't grab attention, they won't even bother.
And remember, optimize your thumbnails and titles for mobile. Over 70% of YouTube views come from mobile devices. So make sure your thumbnail is clear even on a small screen, and your title is short enough to be fully visible.
All right, so we've talked about getting your videos in front of people, but here's where the real magic happens, building a community around your content.
Yep, a lot of creators think YouTube is just about uploading videos and waiting for views to come in, but that's a big mistake. You need to think of YouTube as a place to build relationships with your audience.
100%. Engage with your viewers. Respond to their comments, ask for feedback, or even hold polls. When you do that, you're building a community, and people want to feel like they're part of something.
And you know what's even better? Live streams are one of the best ways to engage with your audience in real time. In 2025, live streaming is going to be huge for building a stronger connection with your viewers.
It's all about creating a space where your audience can interact with you. Going live gives them a chance to ask you questions, chat with you, and feel involved in the content.
And here's a bonus tip. When you go live, your subscribers are way more likely to turn on notifications for your next stream. They don't want to miss out.
Exactly. And the more you show up, the more loyal your audience will become. Consistency isn't just about uploading videos. It's about consistently engaging with your community and showing up for them.
So, whether you're posting videos or doing a live stream, make sure you're staying consistent with how often you engage with your audience. That's going to help you grow faster than anything else. Now, we've shared some serious tips so far, but there's one more hack you need to know about. This one could completely change your YouTube growth in 2025. and it's something a lot of creators are missing out on.
But before we get to that, let's talk about YouTube's newest updates. In 2025, YouTube is rolling out features and changes that will either make or break your growth. Let me tell you, you do not want to sleep on these.
For example, YouTube is testing AI-powered recommendations that can help boost your videos to the right audience. That means if your content aligns with what viewers are looking for, YouTube might push your video even harder than before.
This is huge! AI could be the biggest advantage for creators in 2025, so make sure you're taking advantage of these updates and staying ahead of the curve.
We're talking about using AI tools to optimize your content, make better titles, create more engaging thumbnails, and even help write better descriptions. YouTube is making all these tools available, and you don't want to miss out.
And remember, the platform is evolving all the time, so you have to stay adaptable. 2025 is about being ahead of the curve, using new tools, and embracing fresh ways of doing things.
And don't forget about SEO. Even though AI will help, SEO is still super important for visibility. Make sure you're optimizing your video descriptions, tags, and keywords. It's not just about great content. It's about making sure YouTube knows your content is the one people are searching for.
If you're loving these growth hacks and want to learn even more to skyrocket your YouTube channel, don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe. We'll keep the tips coming in the next videos.
Got any questions or want to add some of your own tips? Drop them in the comments below. We're all about sharing love and helping each other grow.
Thanks for tuning in. 2025 is going to be your year. Let's make it happen.